Workspace management gives administrators complete control over their organization from a single dashboard. The Members tab lets you manage users, organize teams, assign roles, and control access across the workspace. Open any member to configure permissions for every Helium module and monitor their resource usage, including chats, images, presentations, and videos. The Reports section provides a real-time overview of workspace activity, user adoption, and resource usage. Audit logs capture every important action, from logins and conversations to AM, Prism, Mantis, file access, and permission changes, giving administrators complete visibility across the organization. The bin maintains a history of deleted items, making it easy to track what was removed, when it happened, and by whom. Finally, the archive preserves records of previous workspace members, keeping historical data accessible while your active workspace stays organized.